Hi, geometry students. Happy week 3 of distance learning. So what we're going to do today is do a brief overview of what we did last week, a little bit of review, and then we'll do some practice with the same idea of looking at a two-way table. That's what this table is called here, and answering some questions about it. So last week we saw this same two-way table here, and I asked you some questions to answer. And so based off of your responses, I do want to go over these questions. So first here, just a reminder that this notation, we would say it out loud as probability of a giraffe. So our question is, out of the total population, what is the probability of a giraffe? So in this box right here, we have the total population of animals. And we know that probability in general of an event A is equal to, we'll just say probability of something is equal to our desired, over total. So what do we desire when we're asking about probability of giraffe? We are wanting to know the total number of giraffes. So giraffes are here, here. There are 30 giraffes in total out of 40 total animals. So I'm going to erase that. Next, what is the probability, because that's what the P means, of a giraffe and healthy? So we want to look at where we have giraffes here and healthy. And we want to see, where do they intersect? Where do they cross? And they cross over at the 27. So the 27 is our desired. It fits both giraffe and healthy. And then we divide it by the total population of animals. So let's try that again with bear and sick. So we're going to go, where do we see bears? Here. Where do we see sick? Here. Where do they cross over? At the 6. So we have 6 in our desired, and our total population is still 40. What about bear and healthy? So we're going to look to bears, healthy. They cross over at 4. So 4 out of 40. So last week we were getting pretty good at and then we also saw the word, different color, or. So this is another keyword, and this one's a little bit tougher to do. For giraffe or healthy, we need the animal that we're looking at to fit in one of these categories or both. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at just these 4 boxes that I've highlighted in green. And of these 4, we're going to go through each one and we're going to look at them. So in this box that has a number 6, this is describing sick bears. So does that fit giraffe or healthy? No. So maybe another way to describe this would be giraffe or healthy. What are the combinations that could be that? So we want it to be a giraffe, and the giraffe could be sick. That's okay because it fits giraffe. It could be a giraffe that's healthy. That fits both giraffe and healthy. or it could be just a healthy bear. So these are the 3 boxes in the two-way table that we want to be looking for. So where do we see giraffe and sick? Right here. So on this box here, that's a giraffe. Where do we see giraffe and healthy? In this box here. And where do we see a healthy bear? Right here in 4. So these are the 3 boxes that we are now going to add up together to get the total population. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 4 plus 3 plus 27 divided by the 40 animals. So now I'm going to say, okay, what's 4 plus 3? That's 7 plus 27. That's 34 over 40. Okay, we're going to do this again with a new question. Bear, or that's the key word, healthy. So when we're looking at our two-way table, we need to look at what in these 4 boxes here. We want bear sick, that fits the bear category. Bear healthy, that fits both. Or healthy giraffe, because that fits the healthy category. So we're going to shade in all of the healthy boxes and all of the bear boxes. And the only one that's left is the sick giraffes. And so the probability of bear or healthy is going to be 6 plus 4 plus 27 out of our total population of 40, which is equal to 37 over 40. Let's do one more on this video, and then you're going to try a couple on your own in Desmos and ask lots of questions in class, because that is the way we learn, through questions. Giraffe or sick. So a trick is to go up to the box in these 4 boxes which fit the categories of giraffe. Here and here. What fit the categories of sick? Here and here. Oh, we've already colored it. And then we're going to add up the colored boxes. All 3 of those boxes fit the category of giraffe or sick. And we're going to add them up, and we'll get 36 out of 40. So the probability that you pick an animal and it's either a giraffe or it's sick is 36 over 40. So the rest of class today is going to be about working with two-way tables and answering questions. So come back and ask lots of questions to the Zoom class. All right, I'll see you in a little bit.